Best 5 grow lights comparison. T5 grow lights have become an essential tool for indoor gardeners, hydroponic enthusiasts, and greenhouse growers, offering a practical and efficient solution for promoting plant growth at all stages. With advancements in LED technology. List number: Barona T5 grow lights. The Barona T5 2 feet 80W grow light is a premium option designed for serious indoor gardeners. It offers full-spectrum lighting that closely mimics natural sunlight, making it suitable for all stages of plant growth. With 400 LEDs consuming only 80W, it delivers high brightness and efficiency, replacing traditional 500W plant lights. The plug-and-play installation is straightforward, with included double-sided tape, clips, and cable ties for mounting flexibility. The ability to control each light individually via on-off switches allows precise customization based on plant needs. Performance-wise, this model excels in delivering high PPFD, photosynthetic photon flux density, ensuring over 95% of light energy is absorbed by plants. It is ideal for large-scale setups like greenhouses and grow shelves, where uniform and intense lighting is crucial. The aluminum and polycarbonate construction enhances durability, while the series linkable design supports up to 16 lights for extensive coverage. However, its higher price point and lack of waterproofing may limit its appeal for casual or budget-conscious users. List number 2. Barona T5 grow lights for indoor plants. The Barona T5 2 feet 5000K grow light stands out with a sleek black housing, making it visually appealing and easy to integrate into home environments. With 192 LEDs consuming only 40 watts, it replaces traditional 500-watt grow light bulbs, while providing full-spectrum lighting at a comfortable 5000K color temperature. Installation is versatile, with clips, cable ties, and magnetic bars included, allowing attachment to both magnetic and non-magnetic surfaces. Each light fixture features an individual on-off switch for tailored control. This model is particularly suited for smaller setups, such as grow tents, shelves, and hydroponic systems. Its daylight-like spectrum is gentle on the eyes, making it ideal for home use. However, its slightly lower brightness and PPFD compared to the premium model may not be sufficient for larger-scale operations. Additionally, while the black design is stylish, it may not appeal to users seeking a more traditional aesthetic. List number 3. Barona T5 grow lights for indoor plants. The Barona T5 1-foot grow light is a compact option designed for users with limited space. Its black aluminum housing provides a modern aesthetic, while the 5000K full-spectrum lighting ensures optimal plant growth. With 96 LEDs consuming only 20 watts, it replaces traditional 120-watt grow lights, making it highly efficient. Installation is straightforward, offering 3 mounting modes: clips, cable ties, or magnetic bars, making it adaptable for various setups. This model is ideal for small indoor gardens, seedling trays, and decorative plant displays. Its compact size and energy efficiency make it a practical choice for hobbyists and beginners. However, its limited brightness and coverage area may not be suitable for larger or more demanding setups. Additionally, while the black design is visually appealing, it may not match all interior styles. List more Barona grow lights for indoor plants. The Barona T5 1-foot grow light 8-pack offers excellent value for users seeking extensive coverage at a moderate price. With 192 LEDs consuming 40 watts, it replaces 250-watt traditional lights while delivering full-spectrum 5000K illumination. Each light fixture features an individual switch, allowing tailored control for specific plant needs. Installation is quick and easy, with double-sided tapes, clips, and cable ties included. This model is well suited for medium-sized setups, such as grow shelves and hydroponic systems. Its high energy efficiency and linkable design make it a practical choice for users looking to scale their indoor gardening projects. However, the lack of waterproofing and assembly requirements may pose challenges for some users. Additionally, while the brightness is adequate, It may not match the intensity of premium models. List 5 T5 grow lights for seed starting. The Bokeito T5 grow light is a budget-friendly option, designed for seed starting and small indoor gardens. With two 10-watt tubes delivering 1900 lumens, it offers full-spectrum lighting with added 660-nanometer red LEDs to promote growth at all stages. The V-shape reflectors enhance light efficiency by 25%, ensuring better coverage for plants. Installation is flexible, with multiple options for mounting on shelves, racks, or hanging setups. This model is ideal for beginners and hobbyists looking for an affordable yet functional solution. Its compact size and lightweight design make it easy to handle and install. However, the lower brightness and limited coverage area may not be sufficient for larger or more demanding setups. Additionally, while the aluminum housing improves durability, the lack of waterproofing and shorter length may limit its versatility.